I'm going to show you the best sport betting strategy on PrizePick. Now, the strategy I'm going to be telling you is called correlation. Correlation means that the outcome of two props are linked. If one happens, the other is more likely to happen too. Using correlation makes your slip smarter and it increases your odds of winning. Now, let's make an example here. For example, let's just pretend this guy is player A and this guy is player P, right? Player A is a quarterback, meanwhile player P is a wide receiver on the same team. Now, if player A, the quarterback, has an over 2.5 passing touchdown, then on the player P, the wide receiver on the same team also has the best chance to be an over 0.5 receiving on touchdown. Now, why does this work? If player A throws 3 touchdowns, there's a high chance at least one of them goes to player P. So if one prop hits, the other is more likely to hit too, right? So this is the core of the strategy of correlation. But what is some uncorrelated example? What is some bad example of this strategy? For example, player A is a baseball pitcher. Let's just say that. Player B, this guy, is a basketball player, and player C is a soccer collie here, right? So for example, this guy. Now, the player A, the basketball pitcher, has overseas strikes out. Meanwhile, player B, the basketball player earlier, is over 20 points. Meanwhile, player C, this guy, soccer collie, is over 4 save. Now, why doesn't this work? Now, these props have literally nothing to do with each other, right? Now, the baseball, basketball, and soccer, if one of them score, it has nothing to do with each other, right? So it can't affect each other. So one player's performance doesn't affect the others at all. So you're just hoping for random outcomes to all go your way, right? Now, that is the core of the strategy that I think you should be following on PrizePick.